Let's see what is your love situation. Okay, so as I pick up the deck, cycles. Okay, so fate, karma, something ending, something beginning. You could be moving in cycles, or some cycles are ending in your relationship. Let's see, what is it? What's happening in your love situation? What's really happening there? Okay, commitment. Ooh, things are getting serious. Gambling, problems with addiction, gambling, bad finances. I feel that you're going in cycles where you're expecting commitment with somebody, but they have issues. And I think gambling here could be, there could be financial issues, there could be issues with addiction, and that is coming in the way of them giving you commitment or having a committed relationship. Moving, change of residence, moving in with your partner, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I feel you could be an earth sign, or your person could be an earth sign, and they could be thinking about commitment a lot. They could be moving in, thinking about buying a house with you. They could be thinking about how they can move in with you. Health issues could arise, but I feel that there's something stopping with them. That could be health, it could be addictions, it could be money problems. Yes, some challenges, they are facing challenges to make a decision. They could be working in their inner healing. Something is stopping them, something is really coming as a block here. Okay, confession, they want to tell you a lot. If you are in separation, somebody is thinking about commitment, somebody is thinking about moving in with you, but they are not sure of themselves for sure. Okay, guardian, a lost loved one watches over you. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you could be or they could be. So what I, and pregnancy, so what I sense out of all of this is that there could be a relationship between earth sign and fire sign, and there could be uh, a lot of passion between you two, earth and fire. There could be challenges in commitment because one person is going through challenges and they're not coming to, trying to come forward, but they're thinking about it, and they do want a new beginning with you. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if this resonates, and I will see you next reading. Have a wonderful day.